that morning. It was the day after Christmas. We'd had a big Christmas at home, and we were going to leave early that on the 26th and fly to Michigan to have kind of a second Christmas with my older kids who were working, and they're all going to meet us there. And I was shaving, I guess, in the bathroom. I heard Patsy scream. She'd gone downstairs to the kitchen and found this ransom note. And it was just unbelievable.
Well, I got up and got dressed, and you know, it was very early, kind of not daylight yet. And we had a spiral staircase to the first floor.
Mr. Ramsey, listen carefully.
We are a group of individuals that represent a small foreign faction.
We respect your business, but not the country that it serves.
At this time, we have your daughter in our possession.
She is safe and unharmed, and if you want her to see 1997, you must follow our instructions to the letter.
You will withdraw $118,000 from your account.
I will call you between 8 and 10 a.m. tomorrow to instruct you on delivery.
Any deviation of my instructions will result in the immediate execution of your daughter.
Speaking to anyone about your situation, such as police, FBI, etc., will result in your daughter being beheaded.
If we catch you talking to a stray dog, she dies.
If you alert bank authorities, she dies.
If the money is in any way marked or tampered with, she dies.
Don't try to grow a brain, John. You are not the only fat cat around, so don't think that killing will be difficult.
It is up to you now, John.
Victory SBTC.
Patsy happened to be standing by the phone. I said, call the police. I've told people, if you've had kids and you've been in a shopping mall and your child disappears, even for a moment, you get this punch in the stomach that's just severe. Where's my child? Just panic for a moment, then you find her and it's over. But it only lasts for a second, but this horrible in your gut trauma, I guess, how to explain it, was the feeling I had that morning. And I gotta get my daughter back.
Who do you think killed John Benet Ramsey?
Just tell us what you absolutely remember.
I think it was her
My
brother.
youngest son, Bert, was asleep. Bert was 9 years old. He was a little boy.
Who was the first person you went to see that night? Did she say something that you heard?
I called our friends that we had had dinner with the night before, and just in a, Jean Benet's missing, can you come over or help, and then I called another couple close friend of ours, and they came right over.
I received a page to call the night shift patrol supervisor who told me they had responded to a reported kidnapping of a 6-year-old girl. I knew initially this was a very rare case. Kidnapping for ransom, we never had a case like this. So I got 2 detectives to respond.
Squad car came and one officer came in and I told him, hey, we found this note, our daughter's missing. So, well, you sure she didn't just run away? It's, well, she was 6 years old, it's cold out, it's dark, it's snowing. No, she didn't run away.
The detectives also spoke to Bert Ramsey, and they made arrangements for Bert to go to a friend's house.
We wanted to get Bert out of this chaos. I know he said, you know, John Benet's been taken, but we're gonna get her back. I was totally focused on what have I got to do to get my daughter back. I could get her back if I kept my wits about me and kept focused.
At that point, the two detectives searched the house. The Ramsey's house, it's kind of a deceiving house. Outside it doesn't look that big, but when you go in, it's very large inside.
It's a huge house. It's over 6,500 square feet. There are 3 levels with another level that the Ramseys converted into their master bedroom. John Benet's bedroom was almost on the opposite side of the house, on a lower level. It would have been difficult to hear anything from that location. Then below that is the main living level. Patsy found this ransom note on a circular staircase that was near the kitchen. And then below that, you had the basement area where they basically stored things. And there's an area referred to as the train room where Bert kept some toys.
Officers had searched the house, didn't see any obvious crime scene, didn't find John Benet. I didn't go to the house until later on. I went upstairs, looked at John Benet's bedroom. The bed wasn't made, it had been slept in, obviously. I shut the door, sealed it, specifically told Mr. Ramsey nobody goes in there. And I'm thinking this suspect could call at any time.
The police prepped me on, okay, when they call, asked to talk to John Benet, and I made arrangements to get the money available.